Cover si Teo.
Abra... Kadabra!
Ala! At wala si Teo.
Sino yun?
Saan? Ala, baka pumunta sa ilalim.
I see
Young.
me.
Teo, if you're here, you talk to us.
Sit down here, sit down. Sit down here.
Sit down there, Teo.
Okay.
I'm touching him.
Teo, you sit down there. You sit down there if you're here. We can see you.
Let's take a picture.
Let's take a picture. Okay.
Only my face.
Okay.
Tingin.
Invisible si Teo.
I'm in the chair na.
Baka nasa labas.
I'm in the chair na.
Teo!
I'm in the chair.
Teo, huwag kang tatalon.
Okay. I'm here in the chair na.
Asan si Teo?
Mama, I'm in the
Saan?
chair.
Diyan?
Wala eh.
Picture me. Picture me.
Teo, we can't hear you. Asan ka? Di ka namin nakita.
I'm gonna use the car.
Baka nandito ka. Teo!
I'm here.
Baka andito ka sa ilalim.
Mama, I'm
Teo!
here.
Teo, we can't see you. Pa! Naiyak na ako.
Make me.
Where's yung?
Make me.
Let's go to the police.
Ma.
Hindi na mababalik si Teo pa. Pa! Let's go to the police na ako. Paano babalik si Teo? Paano siya babalik? Hanapin
Yan
natin.
Aba.
Teo, if you're here, you sit down again so Papa will return you. You will come back again. Please, Teo, please sit down, please.
Abra... Kadabra!
Oh! You're here na!
Where did you go?
Where did you go? Saan ka galing? Saan ka galing?
I still my hand long.
Ha?
My own lang.
In your own? You're inside your own? You're inside your hand? We can't see you kasi.
Where did you go?
Where did you go ba?
Nothing. I just my hand lang.
You click your hand and then you come back? How did you come back?
No.
Eh kasi, di ba kanina you're sitting there and Papa do the abracadabra and then we can't see you anymore na. And then we can't hear you, we can't see you, we can't feel you. How did you come back?
You just sit there and...
Did you hear me to sit back there?
I just hear myself.
You hear yourself? Eh, did you hear Mama and Papa? Ano sabi ni Mama and Papa? Nawawala ka. Akala kasi namin hindi ka namin makita eh. Bigla ka kasing nawala eh. Nagkakry na si Mama, narinig mo ko, nagkakry ako and I want to go to the police na.
And I said no.
Why?
Kasi not hear me.
Kaya nga, I can't hear you eh. Why you become invisible?
I don't know.
What happened?
I just see myself.
Oh, maybe it's a magic. It's a real magic because we can see you.
You see the picture?
You see the picture, diba? Nagpa-picture sa'yo si Papa and you're not there. How does it happen? Paano yun?
Papa, it's like with a hat
Oh.
and the net.
Oh.
Black and white.
Papa is like a magician. Eh, but kanina, I took a picture and you're not there.
I don't know where I am.
Eh, where did you go?
I just walk here.
Pakita mo yung picture.
Hmm.